Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Criteo for dynamic product retargeting on e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Criteo account. Navigate to the campaigns section in the main dashboard. Click on Create a Campaign to start setting up your dynamic product retargeting. Select Dynamic Retargeting as your campaign type. Enter a name for your campaign that clearly identifies its purpose. Set your campaign budget according to your marketing goals. Choose your preferred bidding strategy, such as cost per click or cost per impression. Next, select the e-commerce site you want to retarget. Make sure your product catalog is integrated into your Criteo account. Upload your product feed if you haven't already done so. Ensure that your product feed contains all necessary product details, including prices and images. Go to the Audience section to define your target audience. Set audience targeting parameters based on user behavior. Configure retargeting settings to specify the time duration users remain in your retargeting pool. Review your creative options for the ads, ensuring they align with your brand guidelines. Set up dynamic ad templates to dynamically pull product information from your catalog. Preview your ads to ensure they display correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the visual appeal and messaging. Choose the publishers where you want your ads to appear. Finalize the settings and double-check all campaign details for accuracy. Click Launch Campaign to make your dynamic product retargeting live. Monitor the campaign performance regularly in your Criteo dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights provided by Criteo's reporting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.